This 1.364 acres of land is directly off Highway 30 and is zoned light industrial. There are utilities and a 1960 teardown or fixer-upper 1,434 square foot home located on the property. This is an excellent location for a strip center, freestanding building, convenience store, or any business development. An apartment complex is to be built to the left of this property. The home on this property has been leased month to long-term tenants. Please do not disturb the tenants. Part of an estate and was an investment property, so no seller disclosure. Sold as is. No VA or FHA Prefer Cash or conventional. No repairs will be made by the seller if needed.